Welcome back to our channel, where we provide valuable information on health and nutrition. In today's video, we'll be discussing low-carb foods that are beneficial for individuals with diabetes. Managing blood sugar levels is crucial for diabetics, and adopting a low-carb diet can be incredibly helpful. So let's dive right in and explore some delicious and nutritious options. Segment 1. Understanding the importance of low-carb foods. Before we jump into the specific food options, let's understand why low-carb foods are essential for diabetics. Carbohydrates break down into sugar, causing a spike in blood glucose levels. By reducing carb intake, we can help stabilize blood sugar levels and manage diabetes more effectively. Segment 2. Leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables. Leafy greens and non-starchy vegetables are excellent choices for diabetics due to their low carbohydrate content and high nutrient density. Include options such as spinach, kale, broccoli, cauliflower, zucchini, and bell peppers in your diet. These vegetables provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber without significantly impacting blood sugar levels. Segment 3. Lean proteins. Incorporating lean proteins into your meals helps maintain steady blood sugar levels and promote satiety. Include sources like skinless chicken breast, turkey, fish, such as salmon and tuna, tofu, and eggs. These protein-rich foods don't raise blood sugar levels and provide essential amino acids for overall health. Segment 4. Healthy fats. Contrary to popular belief, healthy fats are beneficial for diabetics. They slow down the absorption of sugar into the bloodstream, preventing rapid spikes in blood glucose levels. Avocados, nuts such as almonds, walnuts, and pistachios, seeds like chia seeds and flax seeds, and olive oil are excellent sources of healthy fats that can be incorporated into a low-carb, diabetic-friendly diet. Segment 5. Low glycemic fruits. While fruits contain natural sugars, some have a lower glycemic index, meaning they have a milder impact on blood sugar levels. Opt for fruits like berries, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries, cherries, and apples in moderation. These fruits provide essential vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants without causing drastic blood sugar spikes. Segment 6. Whole grains and legumes. When it comes to grains, choose options with a lower glycemic index, such as quinoa, brown rice, and whole wheat bread. Legumes like lentils, chickpeas, and black beans are also great choices, as they offer a good amount of fiber and protein while being relatively low in carbohydrates. Segment 7. Tips for incorporating low-carb foods into your diet. To wrap up, here are a few tips to help you incorporate low-carb foods into your diet as a diabetic. 1. Plan your meals in advance, focusing on balanced combinations of lean proteins, non-starchy vegetables, and healthy fats. 2. Experiment with different cooking methods to make your low-carb meals more enjoyable. 3. Read food labels carefully to identify hidden sugars and high-carb ingredients. 4. Consult with a registered dietitian or healthcare professional for personalized guidance. That brings us to the end of today's video on low-carb foods for diabetics. Remember, managing diabetes is all about making informed choices and adopting a healthy lifestyle. By incorporating these low-carb foods into your diet, you can take control of your blood sugar levels and improve your overall well-being. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more valuable content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.